This is very good.
Here's the recipe for taco spaghetti. You will need a 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 2 cups of beef broth. Using leftovers from taco night, here is a pound of cooked ground beef, 1 to 2 cups of shredded cheese, a pack of taco seasoning, 1/4 cup of diced onion, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, fresh parsley or cilantro, and salt and pepper to taste, 8 ounces of spaghetti. Now let's put together this one-pot meal. I'm going to saute my onions and garlic in olive oil. I'm adding my leftover taco meat, taco seasoning, can of diced tomatoes, I'm breaking my spaghetti in half and adding 2 cups of beef broth. If the broth does not cover the spaghetti, then add a little water. Okay, so my spaghetti is completely submerged. Cover it up, reduce the heat to low, let it cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Bring it to a boil. Stir occasionally during this time. After around 15 minutes, we're going to allow it to continue to cook without the lid. Next, I'm adding freshly grated cheese on top. I like the way the freshly grated cheese melts. Here's a little fresh parsley just to give it color. There you have it, guys. Taco spaghetti. Yes. Let me know in the comments how you like it when you make this dish. See you in the next video.